Nice foot. Can't see your face, man. It's one of them stupid lenses. Oh, it's upside down. Listen. Alright, you have the technology. You have the technology.
Right. You grab that.
Grab
Next
what?
one down.
This one?
Yeah.
In there?
Yeah.
Got it.
Got it full weight?
Yeah.
That's doesn't work.
You've got a lot of that weight in it. You know?
No, you get your balance. Go down. Pull that crutch.
Finger. Right, steady on.
Are we going? Where are we going? I said, where are we going? Oh. Which way is the kettle? Costa is here.
Where actually are you going?
Tell you, sure I own.
Just doing a lap? Because you're like a big angry giant.
I'm big angry giant, that's what I'm. You see what tall I am. Ari Decker. The Ari Decker. It's not, it's just a speck of dust.
You haven't put the lid on your knee. That's how it breathes.
James's hands. I might have just torn wood.
You're getting tired. Say goodbye.